In this video, I'm going to be talking about a new feature that ChatGPT just rolled out, allowing you to see memory sources and how to see what ChatGPT remembers from past conversations and how it kind of impacts responses that you're receiving from the tool. So the first thing I want you to do is open up a new ChatGPT conversation. This works for all plans on your web browser of choice. As of right now, it is not in the apps like on Mac or PC, but I'm sure they'll roll it out very shortly. And then what I want you to do is I want you to ask it a question like, what should I work on today? Or what should I work on tomorrow? Whatever it may be. It's going to give you an answer like it gave me here. Now, at the very bottom where we see the normal actions we can take, we can copy the response, we can like or dislike, we can share, we can even regenerate this. I want you to click on the three dots here, and then I want you to click on something here that says View Sources, and that's going to show this sidebar over to the right. It's now going to show me the 6 memories that it used and the different types of memories that it used, and I can look at them individually. So as you can see here, this is a saved memory, this is a saved memory, and it's remembering from previous conversations. I can click into a specific memory and it will bring up that archived conversation that I had and what it remembers and why it is applicable to the response that it just gave me. Now, the cool thing about this is that we can click the 3 dots next to that memory and we can say, hey, this isn't relevant anymore, or this is relevant, or make a correction of that, or you can even view all saved memories. Now, you can obviously get here by clicking these 3 dots, go to View All Saved Memories, and it'll show you all of them here in a list format. Or you can click on your username in the lower left-hand corner, go to Personalization, and then under Personalization, if we scroll on down here, we should see the memory option. Go to Manage, and then you can see this is going to show you a list of all of the things and conversations that you've had and what it is remembering from. Also, this right here, this allows you to sort them from newest or oldest first. Or if you wanted to, you could click these 3 dots and you can manage it yourself, or go to View History, or if you want to start fresh, you can even delete all memories. If you want to see if something is in here, you can go to Search Memories and you can just start talking or typing right here and it should find any memory related to whatever search term you are asking about. So again, make sure you are on and running the most up-to-date version of ChatGPT if you're watching this at a later date on your applications. But as of right now, this is allowing you to see and correct the memory and how it's responding to your prompts each and every day. Couple of things about privacy. If you share a chat link with someone else, your memory sources are not included in the shared chat. Also, temporary chats do not use memory or update memory. So if you want a clean session that kind of gives you an answer or a response not correlated to any memories from the previous conversations you've had, just do a temporary chat. And then you can turn memory off entirely in the settings if you don't want any of this to happen by just going here, Personalization, and then down where it says memory, as you can see here, go to Manage, and then you can just adjust your settings accordingly. So that's it. That's the new really interesting feature allowing you to kind of customize your ChatGPT conversations even more, allowing you to edit individual ones if you want. I think it gives you more power to get better responses as time goes on, as you're able to adjust and making sure those memories are exactly how you want them to be. So if this helped you, please hit subscribe. I do daily tech tutorials and guides, and if there's another ChatGPT or AI feature you want walked through, drop it in the comments down below. I'll have a pinned comment with some frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.